Good day. So today we are about to install a lip spoiler for the BMW Z4 E85, which is this one. So what will we need? Here are the items that we will need for the lip spoiler. So here are the materials. First is the 3M tape. It came with self-drilling screws, but I bought some extra at Walmart. And here's the lip spoiler. I will attach this to the link below for those of you interested. So, first step is to clean the lip spoiler, the existing one, to make sure that the adhesive sticks very well. So, since the Z4 is lower, I have some ramps which I would use to lift it up, and that way it would give me enough clearance to install the bumper lip cover. This is my setup for that. I have ramps and a couple plywood boards. That way once the bumper is installed, the bumper lip won't hit the ground or the ramp. So there's the setup and there's the Z4. So the main goal, once it's on the ramp, is for it to look like this. This is what the tape setup should look like. So the next move is to remove the tape and attach it here, align it, that way you know where to screw. Once it's now fitted, now you can screw the holes. Make sure everything's aligned and pushed back, and you should be good to go. So this is how the screw should look like under. It's not perfect, but it should work for its purpose. No one would really look under. Finished product.